the day, employers, and thank you for registering on HireGuam.com, the Guam Department of Labor's free online job bank that connects you with the right employees. Finding the perfect candidates for your open positions starts with posting job orders on HireGuam.com. In this tutorial, we will go over how to create and post a basic job order. Let's get started. After signing in, you can find the main job order page by clicking the menu button at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down on the drop-down menu to Manage Jobs and click on the link. Now you're at the job order main menu. Let's scroll down to the bottom and click Add New Job Order. We have two options here. The first is the basic job order that minimizes how much data you as the employer need to enter, streamlining the process with default settings. For this example, we'll go with the basic job order. Now we enter the title of the job we're trying to fill. Let's say we're looking for a sales manager. Next, we choose an occupation by clicking the Search for Occupation link. Put in your keyword and hit Search. I put in Sales Manager, and for this example, we'll just use the generic option of Sales Manager. Then, for your tracking purposes, put in a job order ID to keep things organized, and hit Next. Then, a window will pop up explaining that when applicants choose to apply with the online resume method, their resumes and detailed information will be displayed on the Applicants tab on this site. You will need to log in and check this tab to view any applicants and resumes with this Apply method. After you close the window, under Job Details, note that this can be a work-from-home position. Then, check that the job site address and contact information is correct. Now it's time to fill out the job description. You can enter this manually, or you can simplify by inserting sample text. Let's try sample text. Here you'll see options that pertain to the occupation you selected earlier in the job order process. We'll go ahead and click the first option, which will then auto-populate the description box. Now you can leave the sample text as is if you're satisfied, or you can put in some modifications. Next, we enter information on compensation and hours. For your convenience, there is a slider you can use to adjust the minimum and maximum salary you wish to offer. The slider also shows you recent salary statistics of individuals on Guam in the same occupation. Then, note whether the salary input is by hour, day, week, month, or other. Then choose the appropriate selection under Salary Comments. As an option, you can indicate supplementary compensation, such as use of car, expense allowance, cell phone or pager, other, or not applicable. Now continue to follow the prompts to enter required information, such as work hours. Next, you can choose how you would like to receive job applications. We'll go with the recommended internal communication, but you also have other options such as direct emails, phone calls, or at the nearest one-stop. At the bottom, you can give potential candidates more information on the hiring process. In the next section, you can select skills from all available skills. There are dozens of skills recorded in the system. As you can see, some are pre-selected for us from the default settings for Sales Manager. But we are also able to go in and modify skills by taking some out or adding others in. Now it's time to enter education and age requirements. In our description, we already specified a bachelor's degree, so we'll choose that option from the drop-down menu. Keep following the prompts to answer required information. If a driver's license is necessary, you can specify under Transportation Requirements. A standard driver's license is called an operator license. If your job opening requires a special license, there is a drop-down menu you can choose from. For this example, we'll choose operator. Then for classification, we'll choose the standard driver's license most people have, which is a Class A. After you click on the button that says you're not a robot, go to the bottom and click Create Job. On the next page, here is where you can review the information you've entered. If you see something you want to edit, you can simply click the link under the appropriate category. After we click the link, the system will open up the page and allow us to make modifications. After you hit Save, you will be directed back to the review page. If you're satisfied with the information, then you're done. Click Return to Job Orders at the bottom, and you have just created your job order on HireGuam.com. Congratulations! For more information, visit the Guam Department of Labor website at dol.guam.gov.